Reading Comprehension, Jack and the Giant. There was a poor woman who lived with her son Jack. They had no money. They had to sell their cows to pay for their food. One day, Jack saw a big house. No one was inside the house, so Jack went in. Suddenly, a giant walked in. Jack immediately hid under a table. The giant put a bag of gold on the table and went to sleep. Jack quickly took the bag and ran away. He gave the bag to his mother. They sold the gold and became rich. Jack and his mother decided to help more poor people. Comprehension questions. Choose the correct answer. Question 1. Who did Jack live with? A. Jack lived alone. B. Jack lived with his mother. C. Jack lived in a cottage. D. Jack lived in a stable. Question 2. They sold their to pay for their food. A. Cows. B. Sheep. C. Goats. D. Pigs. Question 3. When Jack was in the big house, who walked in? A. A witch. B. An old woman. C. A wizard. D. A giant. Question 4. What did Jack do when the giant fell asleep? A. He took the bag of gold. B. He went home. C. He went to bed. D. He stole the table. Question 5. Which sentence is correct? A. Jack did not steal anything. B. Jack was a shepherd. C. Jack was a student. D. Jack became rich. Let's check your answers. Question 1. Answer is B. Jack lived with his mother. Question 2. The answer is A. Cows. Question 3. The answer is D. A giant. Question 4. The answer is A. He took the bag of gold. Question 5. The answer is D. Jack became rich. Well done!